This is still Dr. Benavides, and we're still working on the syllabus. This is the third video. So this is a list of the readings. There's 7 of them for this class. It goes super fast, so I'm giving them to you all in advance. Now, you are going to have to go to the library, to the online version of the library, the databases, and find the readings yourselves. Normally, it's as easy as copying the title, which is all the way from after the parentheses to before the italics start, and putting it either on the one search box of the library main website or the sports discus database or the business source ultimate database, academic source ultimate database, or some other EBSCO database. That's most likely what's going to have it. If you have difficulty finding your articles, on the main page of the A-State website, there will be a chat window for you to chat with a librarian, and they are available 24/7. So you should be able to access all of this. If I were you, I will go ahead and get them today and start cracking on those readings and those annotations that we talked about earlier. So that's all of the readings right there. There will be 7 annotations worth 20 points each for a total of 140 points for all those annotations. 2 exams, a midterm and a final, worth 100 points each, so 200 points worth of exams. 3 quizzes worth 20 points each, so 60 points worth of quizzes. And then your literature review all together is worth $100. $100. 100 points. Sorry, I'm tired. Um, you're gonna do this in 3 steps. So the first week you're gonna turn in your question, and that's worth 20 points. You will get awesome feedback, detailed feedback from your academic coaches. They will discuss questions with me. So we're all going to be involved in giving you feedback so you have a kick butt research question that you're going to be seeking the answer for, and that it's worth researching, right? And it's on the topic of your choice, unless you want me to pick it for you, and in which case you can cancel or email me, and I will be happy to email you um, a research question, but I bet you it will not be as interesting as if you come up with your own. Then you're going to do a matrix, which I will give you an example of how I do a matrix, and you're going to do one kind of similar that's worth 30 points. And then finally, you're going to write a draft of the paper that you're going to take to the online writing center. And when I say take, I really mean submit online for feedback. They meet with you via Zoom, Skype, or some other video conference software. And you're going to submit a revised version of that draft after you address their feedback for us to grade. All of that adds up to 500 points. So as usual, if you get over 90%, you get an A. 80 to 89.9, you get a B. 70 to 79.9, you get a C. Less than that, you fail the class. So right now, we are on early release. That means you are studying the syllabus, you are familiarizing yourself with the Blackboard shell. On the left-hand menu, you have a bunch of resources like the writing guide, information about your comprehensive exams, information about the programs. So I will be clicking on that. There's also a plagiarism statement that you have to read and agree to before you can access any of your content. So this early release week allows you time to do that and be ready to go and take off running when the course starts on the 18th. So the 18th is the official start of the course, and we're going to start with a module on violence. And there's 2 articles on that module, the Knight article and the Roberts article. On week 1, we're going to read the Knight article. And while you do your introduction, which is just a discussion board, and it will give you bonus points. So, hi, I'm Claudia. I live in Jonesboro, Arkansas. I'm a professor, and I am in this program because ... in a discussion board type format. You are also going to do an annotation on the assigned article, which is the Knight article, which, let me scroll, don't let me make you dizzy. So the Knight article is listed right here, right? There you go. So you're going to go find that article, you read it, you write an annotation. Already on one of the videos, I discussed what an annotation is and the sections and how you're going to format it for APA and all that. So you're going to do that, and then you're going to turn in your research question. Then you get feedback on your research question, and on week 2, you read the Roberts article, you do an annotation about that article, you do a quiz about both of the violence articles, and you revise your research question if necessary. On week 3, we start a module on legacy, and both the Chapelette and the Thompson article are on legacy. You're going to do an annotation on both. And remember, all these weekly assignments are due on Sunday at 11:59 Central Time. Anything submitted after 11:59 Central is marked late and is not graded. And then also on week 3, you have to turn in your matrix showing that you have read at least 10 articles that you plan to use or are evaluating for use in your systematic literature review. On week 4, in addition to this quiz about the legacy module, you will have a midterm. And this midterm is comprehensive of both the violence module and the legacy module. So make sure to have handy the Knight article, the Roberts article, the Chapelette article, and the Thompson article when you do your midterm. And right now, on week 4, will also be a good time to start setting up your appointment with the Writing Center and start your draft. On week 5, we start a module on marketing, which also has 2 articles. The first one is Wasell. You have an annotation on Wasell. You have to update your matrix to show that you have read at least 20 articles that you are evaluating for use on your literature review, systematic literature review. And now it's the time to take your systematic lit review draft to the Writing Center. Then there is Thanksgiving week. No assignments are due that week. So it gives you plenty of time to integrate their feedback and, integrate more readings, maybe finish that matrix and start working ahead on your annotations. The Teal article is still a marketing article. So then on this week, we're also going to have the quiz comprehensive of both marketing articles, the Wasell and the Teal, the annotation corresponding to the Teal article. You are going to turn in the lit review, and the matrix should be updated to reflect that you read at least 30 articles, attempting to include them in your lit review related to the topic. In that systematic search, you evaluated more than 30 articles, but in the matrix, you are going to include the ones that best fit according to your criteria that can be used in this literature review. And then finally, week 7, in big, bold, red letters, do not miss the deadline. Assignments are due early that week. It's usually on a Thursday or a Friday by something random like 5 o'clock Central Time. The university will let us know. We will let you know with bells and whistles in every email we send you that week. But the module is governance. You have 1 article. I'm not going to give you a quiz on that. I'm just going to give you an annotation and a final. If you have any questions, please email your coach. Otherwise, then I wish you a successful semester and I will see you soon.